Hey, what is going on YouTube? Hacker7 here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove the icon badge from your Instagram profile. So that would be the threads counter. So if I should go to my profile here, we would have a number indicating which number I am that joined threads. So if I should select it, I am 1.6 million user to join threads. So I'm going to show you how to remove this badge. So if you tap on the badge, you have the option here to view your threads profile or hide the badge. So if you tap on hide the badge, it is going to indicate that this is an action that cannot be undone. So once you remove the badge, you cannot undo the action. So let's click on cancel. And what you could actually do is if you remove the badge, you could actually take a screenshot of your profile and then send that to Instagram as a report that you're having an issue and you'd like for your badge to be there, or you'd need to indicate that you remove the badge by mistake. So that is basically the procedure to remove or hide your badge, threads badge on Instagram profile. And in order to add it back, you would need to report the issue has been a mistake. So thank you for watching. Hacker7 out.